Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage and edit pages on Wix website. So let's jump right in this video now without wasting any second. So how do I first question, how to check my pages on Wix? So I can click on here on this horizontal menu and I can select manage pages to check all the pages that I have. I can also click on navigate, but here if you want to change from this page, which this is the page that I'm currently on, and if I want to change to blog, I can click on here blog, right? But let's click on manage menu, and in here we can see all the pages. Now here, this is the hidden page. You can't see this page. You can click on three dots and select here show in menu. And also we have this search bar that is hidden as well. We can show in menu as well, search bar, right? You can also create a drop down if you want to add, click on here, and if you want to add some sub pages, you can click on and drag like this. Also, you can add a sub menu to main page if you just drag like this. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to delete a page, how to delete a page, right? What if you click on the three dots, select delete, and this way you can delete a page. Pretty nice, right? I hope it's recording because I recorded this video a couple of times. Okay, so now if you want to, let's say you would like to click on the three dots here, and then here if you want to remove the header and the footer, we have the header here, can zoom out, and the footer right over here. Sorry, right over here. Footer, and then the header can change size. This is just a quick edit, right? I can click on zoom in, back in, and if I want, and 100% I should want this to check how it looks on mobile. So how it looks my pages. Now, instead of like horizontal, now is just like this, it will expand. So let's actually preview, see how it looks like. Because people check your website mostly on their phone. Click on here, this is the menu. Looks like this. We have to customize this to redesign it to doesn't really look that great. And what you can do here is if you click on edit menu, you can edit this how it looks. You can manage your pages like so. And we can change the background here, or we can decrease the opacity like so, and they'll be able to see like the background, like maybe just a little bit, but I don't think it looks better or much better. But anyways, close menu, we have this which we do need. It's fine, it's good, and you can edit also the click here, but let me just show you more about the pages. So here in pages and menu, one other thing that you can do here in go to settings is you can actually remove the header and the footer. You can go to permissions here, and what if you want to add a password to this page, only this page, you can add a password, set the password here, and also you can select here and only members, specific members, or all the members, customers and site collaborators they will have access to this page, or all people with a password with a pass, or people that have access to their password will be able to access this page. Now we also have a page blog. We can click on here, add menu item, a dynamic page, a link. Click on here, a new page, and I can add contacts, or I can just add a blank page if I want to. But yeah, it's very simple to manage and edit pages on Wix, but that's only if you already have some idea on how you're already familiarized with the dashboard on Wix, but otherwise it's not very, you just need to use it more. Wix editor, and yeah, and that's how you learn it. And yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions about Wix, let me know in the comment section and I'll create a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take